Why is the sky so murky? I guess the rainy season has officially started.
Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려온 너는 봄이야. Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you.
Why are you soaking wet?
It is pouring outside and there were puddles on the way.
Well, it's the rainy season after all. You should pack an umbrella, just in case of a sudden cloudburst.
Yeah, I know, but let's get to class. It's kinda late. The weather is turning stormy. This rain is really intense, with all the lightning and thunder.
You're right, that is thunderstorm. Don't be afraid.
Okay, I got you. Finally, it's time for us to go home, but I am worried that the rain will be heavy and persistent.
Hey, the rain is gradually stopping, but the sky is still very gloomy. I guess it's gonna drizzle later on.
I hope it will stop soon, because I don't want to be as wet as the ground grass like this morning.
Don't worry, let's stay here until the rain stops. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Have a lunch together, should we?
Let's do it.
And these are some popular phrases and vocabularies that I used during the rainy season. We hope this episode could help you guys learn more English. Don't forget to save it and use it.
Leave a comment below if you have any other ideas for what you go let us to talk in the next video.
Have a great day and see you guys again.